Hi, Michael with F&M Dickey Line Service. Today, we'll fix and plant some zinnias that Michelle wanted. A lot of times when we go to buy plants, we'll save the pots for using for later on stuff that we like to grow ourselves from seed or something like that. As you tell, we got some 6-pack containers that we're going to utilize. As a lot of you know, we make our own compost out at the other place for different things we'll do out there. But in this situation, we're going to use some garden soil that we bought. We also buy garden soil, and we're going to plant these zinnias. On the back of the package, most usually there's planting depth, and the plant depth on these zinnias is 1/4 of an inch. So we're gonna get them started in these containers, and whenever they get so big, then we'll start transplanting. First thing we're gonna do is fill one of these containers up with potting mix. Reach in there, get our mix, and start filling it up. A little bit of leaves in there. We could leave the leaves in, but we're not going to. Fill it up to level.
Can I help, Daddy?
Yeah, you can help.
Are you putting this in?
This is your project anyway, right?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, finish topping that container off.
Ah! Daddy.
A little bit more on this end and you'll have it made.
Daddy, you pat it, okay?
Sure.
You pat this last one. Pat it.
Alright, that is nice and full.
What, are we doing this one?
Yeah, you're going to put some in that too.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go ahead and get a container to
Daddy,
put these seeds on. Alright, as you can tell, we've put a small hole in each pod, and we put some seeds in each pod. Now all we have to do is take and kind of level out over the top of them seeds. And this pot's ready. Now, we're going to take and level this out, and we're going to do the same thing in this next pot. We're just going to kind of punch a hole in each section. We're going to drop 2 seeds in each hole. The seed is right here. Maybe you can see that. That's a seed. I like to go 2 to hole. And then once you get it, you just a little bit on the tailgate. Probably cover them up again. Cover them seeds up. Cover them up nice. And these seeds is ready to go. Got one more to do. Now, once we're done, we'll take some water. We'll give each one of these pots a little bit of a drink of water, and at that point, we'll just be waiting to see what happens and see if they grow. Most usually they will. Like I said, this is zinnias, and if they get so tall in these, then we'll transplant them to the flower beds where they'll be planted. We just thought we'd share what was done, and we'll let you see these again later on after they start getting up and growing, and see what they look like from that point. I'm Michael with F&M Dickey Lawn Service, and we appreciate your time. Thank you. Alright, as you can tell, we got 4 6-packs out of that package of seeds, and now the only thing left is to take and water them. Myself, I like to use rainwater. And that gives them a little bit of jump start as far as germination goes. And hopefully next week or week after next, we'll start seeing something appearing out of that soil, and we can get them up and get them planted here within the next 2 to 3 weeks, maybe. We'll see what happens. Again, I'm Michael with F&M Dickey Lawn Service, and we appreciate your time. Thank you.